What's up, gadgeteers? Welcome back to Gadget Beard. So here you have the West liner mats for the Model Y Performance, and as you can see, they come well packaged, so they're not going to get damaged during transportation. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and open them and put them in the Model Y. All right off the bat, let's take a look at the quality of these. Now, these are extremely well made. As you can see, you have a nice little metal West liner mat here. These are very nice and cushioned and thick. Look at this is the mat protection for the trunk area. Looks very good, very easily to wipe. Look at the back of it. It's just very nice, good quality overall. Very impressed with the premium feel of these mats. I can't wait to get them inside the Model Y. Now you have the mats itself right here. Let's go ahead and put that aside. I do strongly recommend opening them a day before and just letting them stretch out. This is the back portion right here for the back seat right here. As you can see, very good. I would just open these up, so let them stretch out and let the crease get out, but they're very nice, good quality mats. You see how they contour around every crevice around the Model Y shape of the floor there, so they're anti-spill. You see how they cup up like that, so if you spill something, contains spills very easily, keeps everything nice and organized. Well, nice and organized, nice and tidy, so if you do spill something, it doesn't run off the mat and go into the carpet of the vehicle. But they look very nice and they're very premium. But I'm gonna go ahead and put them on so I can show you how they look. All right, let me give you a quick look on how good these are. So these have Velcro on the edges here. These protect the sides. As you can see, the side of the center console right there. Let me back out a little bit. Bam, it like goes underneath the seat. It goes all around there. Now this goes here around the edge. Now I have these plastic protectors, but if you don't have this, this will Velcro here to the side like this, boom, and get attached to the side of the seat, and you have this all protection right there. But look how well they contour to the shape of the Model Y floor. Now this goes in here, you have protection there, you have protection here on the side, and it goes all the way up here as well as here on the side. These are extremely very premium from West liners, and then you do have a little rubber mat here, so when you have your heel or something, you don't eat up a hole through your mat right there. This is the driver's side, and it absolutely looks and feels and protects amazing. Now you do have these clips here. I think you can clip the mats to the side if you have any issues. I think this kind of goes in here like that, and you can hold the mat in place if you're having difficulties this coming off. But I don't think this is going to come off. If you can kind of fit this clip like that, and they'll hold it in place to keep it from flapping over. Let's go to the other side and install the passenger, and then I'll do the rear seat. So same thing with the passenger side. Look how well it covers. Look how well it contours to the floor. It actually looks and feels fantastic. West liner here. Same thing with this. Is going to cover right here. If you don't have these plastics, it's going to just attach right there to the side. It's going to be out of your way. I went ahead and bought these, but goes underneath the seat a little bit. Very nice. Goes all the way up here. Now keep in mind, when these come packaged, they come folded the other way, so you have to kind of pop them out of shape. This comes folded inward, if you know what I mean, so you have to kind of push this in and pop this, flip it around, because it comes folded the other way, so it can package neatly. But it looks absolutely amazing. Let's do the back seat now. All right, so we're here in the rear seats. Now, I do have the protectors here though, so if you don't have them, this is gonna fit a little bit better. But because I have them, it's kind of adding bulk to this, so this doesn't go quite nice around it. But you don't have these, he'll fit really nice. As you can see, this goes very nice up here, and it doesn't block the vents down here. And one thing that I like about this is it goes up here. This down back here gets damaged a lot by your kids kicking this, or everything is carpeted, so this goes up towards the seat, which is absolutely fantastic. But as you can see, this thing covers tremendously well. This kind of folds in like that, kind of covers this end right here. As you can see, you just gotta mold these in shape. This is a little bit different shape than, I gotta remove this, and then this will go in there perfectly around. That's why it's like that a little bit. Let's go to the other side. I think what's making it a little bit difficult too is I have these plastic protectors here too, but it fits very nice once you get them nice and fitted in here. These are very nice and premium, as you can see, easy to clean up, very nice texture, very looking material right there. And this is how the trunk was gonna look. Obviously it's gonna fit more flat once it gets used to it, but I can't stress enough on how well these floor mats are made. They're very good, very nice and thick, but once they flatten out and contour to the shape of the vehicle, they'll be very, very nice, durable floor mats for your Model Y. So there you have it, guys. Those are West liner floor mats for your Model Y. I think they do have them for the Model 3 as well. Link will be in the description of the video if you want to go ahead and pick them up for yourself. These are some of the most premium floor mats that I've tested so far. They're very nice, built out of good materials. They're nice and thick, and they contour nice to the floor of the Model Y. If you have any questions regarding these floor mats, let me know down in the comment section below. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.